guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Ailey and today we're going to do something that I've never done on my channel before, and that is talk about nails. Oh no, wait, I did one video on nails and it was like how to stop biting your nails, but this one is like about nail products. And so if you have been subscribed to me for a while or you know anything about me, then you'll know that I'm a beauty therapist. I do nails, I do facials, I do eyebrows, I do loads of stuff. Anyway, I'm going to talk a little bit about CND Shellac today. So if you are a nail professional, if you know anything about shellac, if you go and get shellac done on your nails, you'll know or you'll have seen all this being hyped up in social media, and it is basically shellac luxe. Now, we all got the opportunity as qualified nail professionals that use shellac, buy products from and are registered with Sweet Squared to go and do an experience day. Now, we basically paid some money and we got to go on the sort of reveal day. Now, we thought that we were going to get trained how to use the product, but we're maybe going to get a couple to take away with us, like a colour coat and a top coat or something like that, so that we could play around with it. The official launch date for this is not until mid to late July. So we're the first people that kind of got to see it and play with it and learn how to use it. And we obviously got a certificate. Definitely unknown to me, we got a goodie bag. Now I thought goodie bag maybe meant, you know, getting like a bottle, like I said. But we went out for lunch and we came back to this sitting in our seat. Look at this thing is bigger than I am. So this is a sort of, oh wait, can you see me? So this is a sort of, I mean, it's like a really heavy duty sort of patent, is that what you call it, patent bag? And it's like obviously a big sort of tote bag. That's what you call it, a tote bag. So this is like really awkward. Anyway, so I've showed you the bag. It's like a purpley sort of really dark plummy purpley colour. I bet you actually matches one of the shellac shades. And in this I mean, I was like, what on earth is this? So inside here, we actually got this. Okay, I'm gonna put this down here. Oops. Look at how stunning this is. It's obviously, what's it called, a vanity case? I mean, look at it. It's absolutely beautiful. It's the same sort of purple, the same sort of kind of fabric. Well, not fabric. It's like sort of a pleathery, plasticky. I really don't know. I'm not good with fashion and things like that. It's all CND branded. This thing's got the CND zips on it. But, I mean, we didn't pay a lot. I can't even remember how much it was. I might put it in the description. But we didn't pay a lot to go on this course. So to get that is insane. Anyway, so we open this thing up. Obviously, we got some nice marketing materials and stuff like that. So this is sort of like a wee pop-up board. There's a window cling and a poster, because you kind of get that with your stuff anyway. But look at this. So, yeah. We got surprised. Now, like I say, if you know anything about the launch and stuff like that, they've come out with Shellac Luxe and it's basically the same as shellac, but it doesn't have a base coat and it removes, or it's ready. Okay, so my camera battery died mid-sentence there, so I have no idea exactly what I was saying. But anyway, the new collection is going to match all 65 colours that are already available in shellac. So it's a kind of add-on service or an additional service, if you know what I mean. Basically, you can do this in almost half the time you do a regular shellac. You can remove it an awful lot quicker. Obviously, it's ready for removal in 60 seconds and it's a lot more lightweight. So it's not really recommended for people with really damaged nails, so that's why they say it's not taken over for like shellac fully. It's more of an additional service for somebody with healthy nails that wants to really avoid nail damage, because I mean even the removal process of this is insane. So yeah, when they launched it, they've launched it with exclusive colours to the new range of Luxe. So there's 15 shades that are exclusive. I haven't picked them all up because I'm scared I'll drop them, but they gave us them all. They gave us them all for free. That's insane. I mean, I can't even begin to imagine how much this would have cost for me to buy. Now, I have a really, really small salon that I'm really just still building. It's only just starting to actually get proper busy. So I couldn't have afforded to go out and buy a kit of this, or even buy like 3 or 4 bottles, let alone get 15 bottles plus a top coat, plus this gorgeous bag and stuff like that anyway. So this is absolutely unbelievable to me. And I wasn't even going to go on the experience day because it was taken, obviously. I'd have to go all the way down to Glasgow. And it's a long, long way for me to go. And I'm so, so glad that I decided to go. So I have to say, before I go on and show you the colours and stuff like that, I have to say a massive, massive thank you to CND and to Sweet Squared for doing this for the people that went to the event, because it was really difficult for me to get the time to go down there and to be able to actually logistically go down there, and to be met with this is just absolutely unbelievable, and I'm just absolutely so grateful. So obviously, thank you. They didn't give me or anybody else this with the anticipation that they would make videos on it, that they would advertise and promote other people to buy it or anything like that. So, you know, this isn't, obviously they didn't give me this to review. I'm just doing this because I was so blown away, and because I have it all, I can actually show you guys. So if you're a nail professional like me and you know, you were kind of thinking about the Shellac Luxe, or you wanted to see what the new colours actually looked like, then this video is for you. If you're just interested in what the new colours will look like if you come to my salon, this is for you too. I'm going to show you the colours and tell you the names, and I'll then insert a clip of all of the swatches. So yeah, let's just get started. So obviously this came with a top coat, and there's the only people who can offer this treatment from now until release date are the people who were at the experience days. So yeah, if you want to find out who they are, just go online, because we're all kind of posting everywhere to tell everybody because we're so excited. But this is the new bottle. Now, you've probably seen it already. It's got a new lid, it's got a new brush, it's got a new bottle shape and size. This bottle contains 12.5 ml. Now, the old bottles were 7 mils. I don't know if they plan on changing those, but this will give you, I think this one's 68 services. This one is 50 services. So obviously the top coat gives you a little bit more because you're only doing 1 layer of that. You're doing 2 layers of this. So this is the top coat. So I'm just going to race through the colours because, like I say, I'm going to swatch them all for you. So the first new one we've got is Satin Slippers. These are all exclusive, by the way. You will not get these in normal shellac. This one is Aurora. It's a really pretty colour. There's not an awful lot of really light colours. This one is Bohemi, I think. Bohemi? Bohemi? I don't know. It's got an accent and I don't know how you pronounce it. It's a really nice, pretty kind of mauvey brown. This one is Charm. It's a really pretty pink. I actually like this pink, and I'm not really a pink person. The next one is Femme Fatale. This is another stunning colour. I hope you can see that, even though it's got a bit of a glare in it. Like I say, you'll see it in the swatches anyway. We got Brazen, which is this really pretty purple. Another purple, which is darker. This is Vivant, I don't know. Darker purple, and then there's another sort of bluey purple. This is called Temptation. That one's really nice as well. See, I want to just try them all. The next one is Chandelier, and this one's sort of a glittery one. Then we've got Liberate. This one looks kind of similar to Wildfire, so it'll be nice to have another sort of red variation. This one is Grace, and it's very similar to Chandelier in the way that it's got that sort of glittery effect through it. It's like really fine glitter though. Now these ones are like my 2 favourites. Silhouette, it's a really dark grey colour, stunning, I love greys. And then we've got Whisper, which is more of a bluey grey. It's kind of like my wall actually. Then we have the 2 darkest shades, which are Phantom. That one's almost black. It's like a really purpley grey black. It's a really nice colour. I can't wait to see how this swatches. Then we have Black Cherry, and this one is just a really, 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 really deep purple. It's a wee bit like Fedora, but more purple. So I really like that as well. That is all of the colours. If you enjoy this video, obviously I would love if you would give it a like for me and subscribe to my channel. I do want to try and incorporate more nails and shellac style videos into my channel, so if you want to see them, leave a comment down below and let me know what you would like to see. If you would like to see like how to do some glitter nails and stuff like that, then let me know. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Obviously I post videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to check back. If you check that notification bell, you'll be notified of my uploads, and hopefully I will see you next time.